Hi, second graders. Once you have completed your mastery check with Miss Larson, I would like you to take out your Sunday page number 100 that's in your Sunday book, and you are going to look at the patterns and the sounds and match them up. So we have boat, b-o-t. We hear the long O sound because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, b-o-t. And we have t-k, like sh-k, g-d. So those go under that category, the sound. And we have t-ow-n, the ow sound, t-ow-n, h-ow-ul. So keep going and filling in the rest of those. I have cur-o under boat because it makes the long O sound. Sometimes the OW makes the ow, as in h-ow-ul. Sometimes it makes the O sound. Remember, O at the end of the word, OW, and then ow in the middle of the word is OW. All right, good luck. When you're done, you can upload it to Seesaw for Miss Larson and I to see. At the bottom also, we have the der-aw, the aw sound, a, k, long A, b-a-j, short A, and then go ahead and put them into the correct category as well. Good luck.